NSIT निखारता है आपकी प्रतिभा को। NSIT, a place to imagine, invent and inspire. NSIT, अम्हारा, बिहटा, पटना।
नमस्कार, आप देख रहे हैं सिटी पोस्ट। मैं हूं नेहा। आपको बता दें, दिल्ली के संगरीला होटल में कोलगेट पामोलिव इंडिया ने आज कीप इंडिया स्माइलिंग मिशन की लॉन्चिंग के मौके को खास बनाने के लिए वर्ल्ड बॉक्सर चैंपियन रही मैरी कॉम मौजूद थी। उनका साथ देने के लिए अन्य मुख्य अतिथि के तौर पे शिक्षा दान के एडवाइज़र राजीव ग्रोवर मौजूद थे। डेवलपमेंट प्रोफेशनल डॉक्टर प्रियंवदा सिंह मौजूद थी। वहीं पे कोलगेट CSR की हेड पूनम शर्मा भी मौके पे मौजूद थी। कार्यक्रम को हैंडल कर रही थी टिस्का चोपड़ा। इस खास मौके पे मैरी कॉम ने अपनी ज़िंदगी से जुड़ी कहानियां सुनाई, साथ में बताया कि कितने स्ट्रगल से उबरने के बाद वो विश्व बॉक्सर चैंपियन बनी हैं।
I'd like to start by introducing our wonderful panel. You already know all of them, but I'm going to quickly do another round of introductions. World leaders, you don't need any introduction to Mary Kom, 6-time world boxing champion, currently world number 1, and the only female boxer from India to win medals at the Olympics. Woman is mad with her husband. Even you won't be able to beat that woman. Isn't that right? Yeah? Okay. Dr. Priyamvada Singh, social development professional. Extremely hardworking, worked a lot in the social development sector. Mr. Rajiv Grover, advisor to Shiksha Dan Foundation. Poonam Sharma, head of setting up this amazing responsibility to inspire and mentor millions of people across the country. So, I'm going to get to the questions. First off, for Mary.
Good afternoon, everyone. Actually, it's today is one of special day for me, and I would like to thank Colgate for giving me this opportunity. Well, I'm so happy that such a great initiative you have taken. So that is one of the partnership, of course, to do something. Well, if we talk about we can lot of things we can talk. Just I have make it a point of view. We have a vast talent pool in India, and particularly in sports. Is it? Well, they all have potential, as well as potential is we have a lot of potential in every discipline, not only single. So across, we have a lot of discipline in sports. To gain tremendous recognition, provide the right mentorship and sources. So that is one point. Then Colgate's Keep India Smiling, of course, scholarship program understands the importance of foundational support. It is designed to identify the people who really needs to help provide the continued support. And I have another point also. Millions of Indians interact with Colgate on a daily basis, and this will provide many people with an opportunity to make use of this scholarship. And last point I have that with Colgate's Keep Indian Smiling Foundational scholarship, we will get the opportunity to identify great talent who will make a significant difference to the country. So this opportunity allows me to, be actively involved in something so important. Thank you.
We're all aware of and we're in awe of your determination and your courage. We're all aware. Tell us the role and importance of foundational support, grassroots support, in the early years, in your foundation, in your life. Tell us about that.
Yes, if I tell about, my journey, the foundation initially, I'm becoming from, everyone know that, from humble background. Well, I have, fighting so many challenging, I have received actually a lot of challenging, and boxing is my life, which I have choose, and also boxing is my passion. Of course, many people might have different challenging, and also I think and I am not to share all the challenging. Actually, you more aware about on my life journey. Of course, I do hope that you have seen the biopic also. You have read the Unbreakable, a book on me. So there are so many stories. So I have challenge, but one more thing. Yes, sometimes being a human, also I can't able to handle. But when I smile, yes. When I smile, yes, I can do more. I can do better. Even I already exhausted during my training, and I am not able to get all the requirement, all the facility. My family cannot able to afford, and what I was only thinking that is always keep smile, because yes, my family can't. Whatever they can't, can't help me. Just keep smiling, and also that I'm still happy. Right? I'm still happy if can't give me that much requirement, needs in initially, and but whatever they give the requirement, I'm happy, and till whatever see initially until the only champion is only one we have. Sorry guys, I was only after 30 plus, still I am fighting all the odds, all the obstacles behind, and now even also upcoming maybe. So I'm still fighting, and I'm still doing better and better to do something for the country.
Mary, you keep us smiling.
Thank you.
You keep India smiling.
Thank you.
That's Mary Com for you, ladies and gentlemen. Big round of applause for true champion.
Thank you.
कीप इंडिया स्माइलिंग के तहत हर साल 2 करोड़ लोगों को जोड़ा जाएगा, जिन्हें मूलभूत सुविधाएं प्रदान की जाएगी, जिससे उनकी जिंदगी में हमेशा मुस्कुराहट बरकरार रहे। अन्य खबरों के लिए आप बने रहे सिटी पोस्ट के साथ।
22 वर्षों का विश्वास, 10,000 से ज्यादा डॉक्टर्स, गोल नेशंस लीडिंग इंस्टीट्यूट।